Hey everyone, so as promised, this is a remake of a video I made not too long ago about converting an old style Eagle power mower from a single blade to a dual blade, and you can have the dual blade features of the new style Eagle power mower without having to spend money on a brand new mower. So the video I made previously actually worked out for me, but for one reason or another, Eagle decided to change their blades around. So instead of having the black mower blades, Eagle changed the blades to the green version, and for one reason or another, the green mower blades did not work out for this conversion. So a big shout out to this particular viewer. He actually mentioned obtaining the parts to make the conversion work, and he actually did it himself. So I'm just sharing what he actually created, and this is a video on showing you on exactly how to retrofit your old Eagle power mower to carry dual blades. Now the first things first, I went out and purchased the new green Eagle blades and their version AB2102D. Now I'm sure this conversion will work for other blade types, but I got this particular blade type because I wanted the high lift version in order to suck up more grass into the bag itself. So I wanted to get this version of the blade because this is what I needed. Now first things first, you want to go to a website called partswarehouse.com. In the search bar, you want to search for all 5 of these items. This is not going to work unless you purchase all 5 of these. Bear in mind, you need 2 of the bolts and 2 of the lock nuts for a total of 7 items. I'm going to leave this up on the screen for about 10 seconds so you can take a screenshot. Now after you have all the items you need, it's real simple. You want to observe which blade faces the grass and which blade faces the deck. You want to make sure you get that straight. Once that's done, once you figure out which blade goes where, you want to take note how one blade has a little diamond groove and the other one has a circular groove. You want to make sure you're sticking the bolt through that diamond groove, and then the nuts are going to go on the opposite end. So you want to hand tighten the nuts. Once that's done, what you want to do is take a socket wrench and tighten it even further. Now you can see a difference. One was tightened with a socket wrench and the other one was hand tightened. You want to do the same for the opposite side. Hooking it up to your mower is real simple. What you want to do is take note of the parts and put them in order. So once everything is locked in, what you want to do is test the mower out. You want to turn it on and make sure you don't feel any heavy vibrations. If you do, it means something is not tight, or your blades may need to be balanced or something to that nature. But you want to make sure the bolts are very tight and secure. You shouldn't feel any major vibrations. Now I had the opportunity to test this out for a little bit. I got one mowing off without any issues, and I made sure everything was secure and tight once I was finished mowing. So you can see this retrofit was very easy to do, and I got all the items from partswarehouse.com. And these parts are actually designed to work with your Eagle blades. So using this website is a very helpful idea. I did not even know it existed. So go to this website, purchase the parts you need, and you can retrofit your old Eagle power mower. Hope you found this video useful, and if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe for more future content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later.